Hello and welcome to Birdview and Easy Projects. In this video, we'll cover how to add dependencies to your projects. There are instances where tasks may need to be completed in a specific sequence. Dependencies help facilitate this by imposing an order where one activity must be completed before the rest can begin. Let's open up the Activity Center and head to the Gad View up here. You can hover over the dividing line until the resized cursor appears and adjust your view accordingly. You can scroll left and right using the bottom, or you can click anywhere on the Gantt chart view and drag. You can also change the views from daily, weekly, to monthly. To draw a dependency, hover over the end of a master activity, then click and drag the dot to the start of the next one. This arrow indicates the dependency. Once connected, the dates of the second task will shift based on the rules the dependency imposes. This means that the master task's end date drives the start of the task underneath, and any change to the master activity's end date will automatically be applied to the successor activity's start dates. You can apply other dependencies in the same way. For example, a start-to-start dependency is used when two tasks must start at the same time. Click and drag the start of one task to the start of another. Again, now that these tasks are chained together, a change in the master activity will affect the start dates of all the other activities. You can also establish dependency lag if there is a delay between two activity dates. You can do this by clicking on the dependency and entering the dates in the menu here. You can also use this menu to delete any dependencies as well. And this is how you use dependencies in Easy Projects. Please visit our other training videos for more information on how to use Birdview and Easy Projects. Thank you and have a great day.